Welcome back, Kirby the Gamer here, and today we'll be doing Far East. Sorry if I'm being quiet for a little minute, it's just, this music's so good. This music gets so good. Listen to it yourself. Isn't that music just so good? If there's a soundtrack, you should buy the soundtrack, because this music's awesome. This game's music's awesome. And don't even think, it's not, cuz. Alright, sorry about that. Now, if you don't like the music in this game, then you're basically a Super Monkey Ball hater. The music in this game is awesome. Like I said in the actual, not the remake of Sinking Swamp. Okay, forget about the canceled part. Anyway, this game's music is better than Sonic's music, aka Michael Jackson. What made you think there's gonna be a bonus level so soon? Alright, this one takes patience. I'm not really gonna skip the part. Alright, oh Jesus. Oh. Okay. Alright, so there's the last part. You're gonna have to be very careful, because the last part is gonna be like very... Alright, so you wanna like kind of like there, and like that. Look at that, so awesome. I told you guys I'm the Super Monkey Ball masterpiece. Like, I'm seriously a piece of this game. Like, I'm really good at. I'm basically what I'm saying is that I'm really good at this game. And like I said in part 2, you guys don't even know it. You guys probably know who we're gonna be next after these set of levels. Me. Okay. I am next right now. I was just freaking out. I didn't know what was going on. Alright, let's keep falling. And we're not taking any leaps of faith, because, well, they're not really that much faithful. So, yeah. Oh, this level's gonna take some time. Alright, so turn here. Alright, turn here again. And then turn here and keep rolling. And then go here. And then wait. Yeah, this level's gonna take some time. Alright. Okay. Whoa. Oh, shoot. Okay, this level's kind of hard. Kinda. So you have to do a lot of waiting. All right, we're almost there. Oh, okay, I'm fine, guys. I'm not dying. I'm fine. I'm never. I'm never. I don't. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Oh, this level. Just row, 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 and that's so easy. It's all you had to do was that. Seriously though, that was so easy. I don't know what Sega came up. Get your mind out of the gutter, Sega. I mean, freaking seriously. Get your mind out of the gutter. Get out of the gutter. Get out of the gutter. Okay. Hi. Hi. Oh, okay, I'm just freaking out a lot. I don't know why. Maybe this is kind of a challenge. Not that much of a challenge. I'm just freaking out for some reason. I think. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't know what happened. That was just complete failure. I don't know. Alright. Oh wait, there's no second set of levels. Well, let's play some monkey. No, I'm sorry. This is gonna be pretty short. Well, I might as well make an announcement. Okay, guys, so I made another promise that I wasn't gonna actually do again. I'm not gonna be able to do a Plants vs. Zombies 2. So I'm very, very sorry. But I promise on you this one. There's no taking back the promise. I will do Adventure Time Card Wars Kingdom KLP. I'm not kidding. I really will. I promise. I just downloaded it. See right here? Yeah, Card Wars 2. I'm not playing the first one, but hey, at least you guys get to see me play the second one. I bet the second one's more better. This one anyway. So anyway, till next time, peace out, my YouTube comrades.